Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and computer so the update can run cleanly. Connect your iPhone via a reliable USB cable, unlock it, and tap Trust when prompted. Make a fresh backup to Finder or iTunes now. Once done, you can restore if anything goes wrong. Also, ensure the computer has the latest Mac OS or iTunes version. This prevents compatibility errors. Finally, confirm the Mac or PC has a stable internet connection and enough disk space to download the update file. With the phone connected, open Finder or iTunes and select your iPhone, then click Check for Update. Choose Download and Update so the computer fetches the official IPSWA and installs it. This avoids cellular downloads and verifies files before flashing. You'll see progress bars for both download and install. Make sure not to disconnect. If prompted, enter your device passcode and Apple ID credentials. The computer verifies the update, then transfers and applies it. This takes several minutes, so be patient and avoid forcing shutdowns. Once installation completes, your iPhone reboots and shows the setup screens. Follow them and sign back into your Apple ID. Then go to Settings General About to confirm the new iOS version. If an app needs updating, install them from the App Store. If something goes wrong, for example the device is stuck or the update fails, put the phone into recovery or DFU mode and use Finder/iTunes to reinstall iOS. Also try a different USB cable or port before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.